We just did Moraine Lake, and it was really pretty. Yeah, words don't describe how pretty and cool it was. But now headed to the car to get my shoes because I'm currently in Crocs. We're gonna go to Lake Louise here in a sec. Probably gonna kayak, or try if we can kayak, and then do like a mini hike. But yeah, we went to Lake Louise 2 years ago, me, Julio, and Nikki. So now we're going again, but with Didi and James. But it should be a good time. I think we're all pretty tired from the hike yesterday because I didn't think it was going to be that bad, but it was. But it's okay. I think they were all pretty upset beginning of the day because we had to wake up super early. I hope it was worth it for them, but it's alright. We can do nothing for the rest of the day after Lake Louise, and I think they'll be okay.
Waiting for like 10 seconds.
I know. So James and I are going to Plain of Six Glaciers here at Lake Louise, and the other three fools are going to Lake Agnes, and we will see them later. Yeah, I mean the view is really cool. Like, you can see the whole lake.
I think it's really. I like the vastness of this.
Yeah.
And like yesterday, half of the hike you were just hiking through trees.
Yeah.
This one I feel like you can appreciate everything.
Yeah, and I think that like kind of sucks is like there's a big ass hotel down there.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's cool. Made it. Made it to the tea house.
Well, I think it's only cash. So
the only issue is we don't have cash. They take card, so that's huge. I got this, and James got this. Should be pretty good. That's nice deep tea, right? Just got out of the tea house. Don't get how Brits drink tea with milk. It's kind of gross. Also, I had powdered milk, so maybe that was the issue. But yeah, now we're on our way back, and hopefully to find Didi, Nikki, and Julio, to then get on with our day. Dude, the shot of the lake right here, it's pretty sick. Pretty sick. Blue Lake. Baja Blast Lake, if you will. So many canoes out there. Gang's all here. James, Julio, Didi, Nikki. Grand old time at Lake Louise. Now we're going back home. We're going on another hike, aren't we, Didi? Aren't we going on another hike?
Yep.
I thought it worked.
You already got one or what?
What are the flavors?
Well, open your eyes, pal.
I'm looking. What do you want me to do?
Anything.
A bite and ice cream.
You bite ice cream? I don't remember where I was talking about, but we went to Banff. Got some food. Got some things that we needed for the day, like Didi got magnets and shit, and then we went to eat at Canmore at some wing place. It's pretty good. And now me and James are here at Vermilion Lakes to hopefully see a cool sky for the sunset, because I don't think we'll actually see the sun setting like on the lake. And Nikki, Didi, and Julio are at the house, and they wanted to go to the hot tub, but apparently the hot tub is broken. So that's a morale detriment. But I think after the sunset, we're gonna go home, shower, and go to bed because it's been a long day. Worth it, but a long day.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal.